amazing. Jay-Z and Beyonce, really interesting. Top of the Vanderbilt. It's 4th of July. Jumping into it. Hey guys! Good morning, good morning! I am here to show you the view of the city from my room in the morning, and it's amazing. Just look at this. This is what I see right now in the day. It's a beautiful sunny day outside and I'm really excited to live it. Since we are short on time, just thinking to go to Subway. It's similar to Delhi Metro or London Street.
Welcome to CP.
We are at the museum. The first skull ever collected of a dinosaur. So I'm standing in the Natural History Museum of New York, and it just blows my mind that we are standing in this closeness to something that is millions and billions of years old. Like in today's world, we just have things that are like a few years old. Plants die out, everything is new, but these things are like real, original, and it just blows my mind. I'm not a museum person, but this one is really interesting. In the Central Park right now. We are at the lake inside Central Park. We just chilled a little bit at the Central Park, ate our food, had some peaceful time in between all of the hustle bustle of New York. I think park is the place where you can come to just relax and chill. We are headed to Cathedral, and we are so tired already because we have been walking since morning and it has been exhausting. We are not used to the New York walking. It's pretty different and tough to keep up.
Remind you of your time in London, though.
It does. I used to walk a lot there, but since the last 4 years I haven't walked this much, so it is tiring. This is the cathedral that we are gonna visit. Beautiful. So we are going to see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, right?
Yes.
And yeah, we don't know the story because we haven't read the books, but we are looking forward to the play. Arun is trying to find out where we are. We're almost there. So yesterday night I was very tired after Broadway, but Broadway was amazing. Like the acting to magic to the precision to the lighting to the stage, everything was so perfect. If you're coming to New York, it is a must because I don't think I've seen anything before like that, and it was just amazing. So today morning we are all set for the Vanderbilt, but before that we are going to grab some breakfast. We are already set and now we are heading out. So guys, here we are to eat some Indian breakfast.
It's so
on top of the Vanderbilt Tower, and we are on 91st floor if I'm not wrong. And the view is 360 degree, and as you can see, we have glasses on the floor and on the top. New York is clearly visible from here. We are back after taking a look at all of New York from the top of Vanderbilt. We are at the Grand Central Station. Oh, so we love this place called Wagamama. This was our favorite in the UK, and we only have very limited stores here in the US, and we have found one in New York. We are here at the Friends Experience.
So, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler, and Ross.
It is a loving based on giving and receiving.
This is Joey's speech.
Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck.
Standing in Monica's kitchen. This is the cake Rachel made.
Your day, your week,
I'm poking the ugly naked guy across the street.
there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too.
Thinking to get a Hugsy for myself. I'm getting it. Hey guys, so I'm in Vinci in New York, and guess what? I'm meeting my first friend ever in New York after 5+ years with Mansi. And
I hope this makes you feel
I hope I edit this vlog and this goes on to my channel.
Like, how are you feeling, guys? Best time बाद मिल रहे हो.
मजा आ
कैसा
गया.
लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I never thought कि we will meet outside India.
मतलब कभी ऐसे बचपन में I don't think
हाँ.
I ever thought कि we'll meet outside as a friend. Last time I met her, she was single. Now she's married.
Mansi recommended this place, this ice cream place, and it's very, very nice.
It is called Vinci. This is a chocolate fountain.
Chocolate fountain, and I feel like jumping into it. We're here at the Losteria restaurant, so we are here for the dinner tonight. Hey guys, so we are at the Statue of Liberty. This is our last day in New York, and it's 4th of July, so it is a special day for the US. It is their Independence Day. The day is pretty pleasant. It's not sunny, it's not windy or cold, it's just right amount of everything. Yeah, it's just a really nice day to be in New York, I guess.
Lemonade.
We are enjoying a good glass of lemonade. It's very refreshing. Walking towards the Statue of Liberty. Now we are back from the Statue of Liberty, and now we are roaming on the streets of Brooklyn. The plan is to get some lunch at Di Fara, the oldest pizza place in Brooklyn. So we are here at Di Fara. Arun wanted to try this restaurant very badly, so we are here and looks like it is open.
कैसा लग रहा
बहुत बढ़िया.
है? बढ़िया लग रहा है?
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
सही लग रहा है मेरे को. Let's try.
Italian style.
Yes.
How was the pizza, Arun?
It was good. It was really good.
You love it?
Yes. Delicately buttered and oiled, and I think it's nice, light. I really like it.
How did you know about this place?
Some very wise person told us about this place. Yes. A person who grew up in 1960s used to eat in Di Fara for 15 cents. That's some story.
Nice. Yeah, it was a definitely perfect recommendation for our last day. Love the taste. Hey guys, so we are here in a financial street. We are standing in front of the New York Stock Exchange building. Here she is, the fearless girl. We are now in Brooklyn and we are here for the reservation of Lucali's, which is one of the best and most famous pizza place here. Lucali's is the place where Jay-Z and Beyonce eat sometimes when they are in New York, and it is their favorite pizza place in New York. So my husband Arun is crazy about pizza, so we had to try this. So let's see if we will be able to get a table there. Sadly, the store was closed. Lucali's was closed today because of 4th of July. We were not able to eat there, so we are here at Baby Luke's, and the pizza is amazing. We are near the Joe's Pizza. This is the famous pizza place which was shown in the Spider-Man movie. I don't know. Do we plan to eat here?
No.
Enough pizza for today?
Yes.
Enough pizza for today. Now we are here in the Chinatown to grab some dinner. A lot of shops are getting closed for fireworks because no one is coming to eat now in New York. People are going to die without food.
Other than us, we are only looking for food, no fireworks.
No, we are going to go
We
for
have
fireworks.
firework here.
We are here to get our food from this restaurant, Great New York Noodle Town. So we are near the mysterious building of New York, which has no windows or doors. Only has vents.
But there are no windows.
No windows or no doors. No one knows what happens inside there. It's a mystery for everyone. So we are heading towards the Hudson River to see the fireworks, and it's pretty early for fireworks. I don't know when will they start. I'm not sure if they'll start around 8 because it's already almost 8 and the sun is nowhere near setting. So I don't know what is going to happen, but we are here to witness the fireworks for 4th of July. This particular event is hosted by Macy's and it is happening after 10 years. The Macy event for fireworks. So pretty excited. There is so much crowd collected here just to see the 4th of July fireworks. You just look at the crowd here. It's full of people. People have brought mats and stuff. They're like living here. We have kind of found a perfect spot to see the fireworks. It's like the unobstructed view of the city with the New York skyline. We are in front of the Hudson River, which is really pretty. Hey guys, so before we leave New York, we wanted to eat one last time the Mediterranean street food. So we are headed to Adele's but chances are very bleak that we'll get anything there. So just
But it's
gonna eat.
raining, but
Yeah.
it's raining. Maybe
It is raining.
the chances are higher now.
After waiting for 2 hours in line, we have finally received the order from Adele's and we are going to eat it now. And we don't have any time to sleep, so we are not going to sleep. Directly run to airport after we have the food and pack. And yeah, that's
Pretty much.
pretty much it about the New York. Bye bye New York.